Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to jump back to itertools. So alright, now we're going to look at this funky method right here. So a couple of videos ago we did chain, where it links things together, but it was still a little clumsy. So let's check this out. From itertools, import chain. So, alright, now let's look at this. Chain. There's this little bitty part right here. That's really cool. So, alright, last time we had x equals ABC and y equals EFG, z equals HIJ. Alright, so let's put this in an array. So x, y, z. So okay, so now if I do this for I in AR print I, wow, okay, so I get that. Now check this out. So if I do chain dot from iterable, then I give it ARR array. Look what it does for us. It links all these together, completely dismisses, and spits it out one item at a time. You don't have to go in, you don't have to do an extra for loop. I remember when I saw this one, I just thought this was the coolest thing ever. So utilize the tools that you have. So like always, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. These are the type of videos you like. Please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, make sure you're clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. We have videos every single day still coming out, and we touch on a revolving subject matter. We have Pygame going right now, itertools, and OS. So thanks again for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.